Hello, welcome to this first video, and I got unboxing of some decks that I bought from Ellusionist, and they arrived today. So let's open it up. I will be posting magic tricks and tutorials, and I also am making something like that. Just send me a message about that. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so here's just the pure smoke advertisement. Yeah, let's see the decks. So we have 4 decks: a bicycle ghost deck, a bicycle master edition that I got for free because I ordered 3 decks, and the artifice green and blue deck. So yeah, that was it for the decks, and I also have some normal decks that I will make videos with. But if you want a review of these decks, just leave a comment. But I guess nobody will watch this video. But yeah, see you in the next one.